Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a pickup and two cute dogs in its trunk. Let's draw and color together. Let's draw the front wheel.
Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah!
Now I'm drawing the windows and the door of the pickup. And I'm drawing the first dog. I love dogs. Do you love dogs? Now I'm drawing the second dog. Look, the dogs are watching the drawing. These dogs are happy dogs. Yellow, orange, light green. I love drawing and coloring vehicles. Orange, blue, red, green, blue, orange, brown, orange, red, blue, orange, yellow, purple, red, pink,
A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter
purple.
to my love, and on the way I dropped it.
Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.